Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Jackie again. Join me today as we open a Lazada box that we just received. No, it took 2 weeks bago namin na-receive and we are so excited. Actually, I'm always excited. But this time, it's kind of different. Kasi this is the first time that we bought a TV. It's a cheap TV, a basic TV that we bought online, no, from Lazada. Pandemic kasi. So, bili tayo ng mura lang na TV. And, like any other deliveries that we had, we take a video opening the box. Kasi mas mabilis mag-file ng dispute or mas madali mag-file ng dispute for return or replacement and refund kapag meron kang proof kung ano yung lumabas dun sa deliveries nila. Okay? And also, nung nagtitingin ako ng mga video sa YouTube, naghahanap ako ng mga unboxing or reviews before ako bumili ng box, before ako bumili ng TV. May nakita ko isa lang. I've watched one, and yung iba galing na sa ibang bansa. So, since I had that concern before buying, I'm thinking as well, no, na I'll post the unboxing para ma-share ko sa inyo. Kung gusto nyong bumili ng ganitong type ng TV, no, you can put it into consideration. Mahirap kasi although may mga reviews naman sa Lazada, pero parang gusto mo din makita yung mga mahabang videos kung anong itsura ng TV, kung anong meron, no? Kapag may mga videos that you can watch. Okay? So, open na natin. Okay, so ito yung ating package. No? Ganito yung pagkakabalot niya. Manipis lang. Meron siyang bubble wrap pero manipis. Matigas naman yung box. And sana walang nangyaring hindi maganda during the transit. It was delivered by LBC, kaya medyo matagal. 2 weeks. Okay, manual. Yung kanyang stand. May kasama na yung screws. Gusto mo i-open mo na lang yung side. Para dito mo na lang din siya pahiga.
Dito na.
So, i-open mo na lang.
Higa muna kayo natin. Parang nakahiga na siya. Pag yan nasa ulo siya.
I-atras mo pa. So, inihiga namin yung box. wala tayong antena, kinabit natin siya sa T95 na Android box. Kasi, basic TV lang siya eh. Kailangan niya ng antena para makawatch ka. Kaya, meron kaming T95 na Android box. Gagamitin namin siya to watch. No? So, sa HDMI yung connection.
Hey! Are we hanging out or what?
If you watch my video, it has Netflix and YouTube on it. It's not included po dun sa TV. You need to buy a separate device so you can watch online. We used an Android box to watch. So the TV is just a basic TV, basic function. The TV that we, yung mga lumang style na we use an antenna to watch. And we have a separate video for the T95 box, no? I will just put the link included dun sa baba. Watch para ma-watch niyo din. And then for the material, no, dun nung plastic, I think we say it's a cheap, no? Cheap yung plastic niya, cheap yung material. I don't know how to describe it, but you can actually say if it's a good quality plastic or not. And yung stand niya, medyo madulas. Parang kailangan ng non-slip. Yung sa weight naman ng TV, magaang. Madaling buhatin. Kahit siguro ako lang, kaya kong buhatin yun. And then for the dimension, it's 35 by 20 inches. No? Yung diagonal niya is 40. So 40 inches yung TV. So we got what we wanted. And then for the yung panel, so, not the panel, it's the frame ng TV, the plastic frame. Meron siyang gatla dun sa baba. Akala nga namin may crack, pero meron kasi sa left and right, so you know na kasama siya sa design. Alright. Pagdating naman dun sa audio, okay naman yung quality ng sound. Pero, kung sa ibang TV siguro may igaganda pa. But if you'd be using yung mga Bluetooth na speaker, ganun, to watch yung mga movies, better. Pero kung let's say mga daily watching lang, yung quality ng sound, sa akin okay na. And then for the picture, we say na medyo maputla, no, yung basic, the standard settings or the cool settings that we normally use. But I think we need to tweak lang with regard to adjusting yung kanyang picture quality. We tried, my husband tried adjusting the picture quality, picture mode, and he made it rich, no, according to his preference, and okay naman. No? The color is okay, hindi naman, no, I'm not saying na sobrang ganda ng quality. Of course, may difference yun. Huwag masyado nag-expect, no? It's only 6,000, and especially because the color, or maybe dependent ba yung tawag dun, dahil naka-connect siya dun sa Android box. Because I'm sure if you use an antenna to watch, I'm sure na hindi ganun kaganda yung quality, no? It's not the TV, it could be your connection, no? Yung ginagamit mo to watch. Considering yung transit time na 2 weeks, matagal yun, and dumating naman siya ng maayos dito. Manipis yung bubble wrap, pero makapal yung box, at saka may styro siya sa loob. Protected naman yung item natin sa box. I'm still excited. It's just that I'm not feeling well right now. Pero I'm excited, and okay sa akin. For me, it's a good buy. You know, for all 6649. Sobrang, meron ka ng 40 inches na TV. And Android box, baka kabili ka na niyan ng mga from 500 to like ito 1,000 plus kasi itong T95 na. The function wherein you can watch, nandun yun. Okay, so, but yung mga gusto mo na mag-online, or kung gusto mo mag-attach ng laptop, dun sa TV, it can be done. Okay, so I hope you continue to watch my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel, and hit like, and share. Please turn on the notification bell also for the new videos. Thank you so much for watching.